Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Chris and welcome back to my show. And I think we can all agree that we've heard of Amazon. It's the world's largest online retailer. And because of that, it's great for converting sales and making affiliate income. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your very own Amazon influencer storefront as a way to make passive income. So if you're interested, make sure to stay tuned and watch until the end. Now, before we start, let's talk about what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is a fancy way to say products and services that you recommend to other people, and when they click your link, you earn a small commission from the sale. Let's talk about the difference between Amazon Influencer and Amazon Associates. And the main difference is that with Amazon Associates, that's the basic Amazon affiliate link that you're familiar with. That's how you can get your own custom link to specific products that you want to recommend to people. But the Amazon Influencer program is different because you get one link that redirects people to your own storefront where you can customize it with your own pictures and list as many products as you want. So without further ado, let's go ahead and set up our Amazon store. Alright, so the first step to making passive income from Amazon is by smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm. No, that's not the first step, but it does really help the channel and it means a lot to me. Alright, awesome. We're here on the Amazon Influencer website, and this program actually started in 2017, and you have to get accepted to be a part of this Amazon Influencer program. So let's go ahead and click Get Started. Alright, and I do have an existing Amazon account. So to qualify for this program, you can either get real-time approval with your YouTube subscribers, real-time approval with your Twitter, or you can use Instagram or Facebook, but that may take up to 5 days. So let's try YouTube first. Let's see if I can do a real-time approval. No! Qualification unsuccessful. Alright, so let's try a different one. Let's see if I can use Instagram. So I'm putting my information, your Instagram handle, number of followers, and number of posts. And now something to note, when you link your social media account, you're giving Amazon full access to that account. It's unlikely that Amazon's gonna go in and actually make changes or unfollow people, but it's still something to keep in mind, and it is a small downside that some people say about this program. Alright, so now we have to put some information about ourselves, put a profile picture, your name, a description, and then your YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram handles. Alright, nice. We're cooking. For my profile, I'm gonna use the picture from the Gary Vee conference that I went to back in 2019. So now we have to add a cover image and another profile picture and a title. Alright, and then you have to select what kind of categories. So I'm gonna say books and electronics. This is not directed at children under 13, and I agree. So now they're gonna ask you some information about the best way to pay you. And what's really cool is if you already have an Amazon Associate account, remember that's the normal Amazon affiliate that we were talking about earlier, then you don't have to fill this part in. It's already completed for you. There's one last step to complete verification. I have to follow them on Instagram. Okay, cool. I could do that. Easy enough. Oh my gosh, and there we go. This is my Amazon storefront. Alright, so let's go ahead and add some stuff to it. All of the YouTube essentials. That's what I like to see. This is my camera setup. This is my tripod. Let's go. Let's add my tripod. I love my tripod. Try to make another category just for the fun of it. Let's make vegan essentials. All of my favorite vegan products. Let's add some kitchen products. A cutting board, zucchini spiralizer. That's a good one. Vitamix blender. Ooh, I love my Vitamix. Awesome. We got some good products in here. So my store is still pending. It takes up to 5 days to get approved, but I like the progress we made today. This is awesome. So now that you learned how to start your own Amazon influencer storefront, let's go into more details. Like, how does Amazon classify an influencer? Well, let's look here at the FAQ page. An influencer is anyone who has meaningful social media following. Influencers across any category can participate: YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. It'd be really cool if they included TikTok as one of the social medias that qualify you for this program. One day, I'm sure they're working on it. Another pro tip with Amazon affiliates in general is you want to make sure you get your disclosures right. Anytime you post your link on social media, it's important to let your audience know that these are affiliate links and to be clear and concise about that. And this is really important because it falls under the Federal Trade Commission's regulation. Now, at the moment, the Amazon Influencer program is only available in the US, the UK, Canada, and India. But hopefully, Amazon keeps expanding this program globally. So how much can you actually earn from Amazon affiliates? Well, it really depends on your social influence. It could be anywhere from a few dollars per month all the way up to around 18 grand annually. And I've actually seen seen people earning that much before. So let's go ahead and look at the commission chart that you're gonna earn when people buy products that you recommend. As you can see here, luxury beauty is the highest commission rate at 10%. We have digital downloads at 5%, books and kitchen equipment at 4.5%. A lot of Amazon products like their tablets, their Ring devices, watches, jewelry, luggage, shoes, that's 4% commission. Home improvement, garden supplies, 3% commission. PCs and computer equipment, that's 2.5%. Televisions and digital video games, that's 2%. Health and personal care at 1%, and all other categories at 4%. But let's check out the items that do not earn you commission. We could see here that gift cards, wireless service plans, alcoholic beverages, and digital Kindle products don't earn any commission. That's 0% commission. So be mindful of that. Another pro tip is to take advantage of Amazon Bounties. Now, a bounty is different than the regular Amazon affiliate or even the Amazon storefront. A bounty is an Amazon service that you recommend. And some examples of this might be Audible, Amazon Music, Amazon Prime, or even Amazon Prime Student. And basically, you earn a commission every time someone signs up, even if it's just for the free trial. And if they upgrade from a free trial to a paid membership, you also earn a commission on that too. So let's go ahead and look here at the Amazon Bounty program. We could see here, try Prime Wardrobe. You can also see the Audible bounty. It says try Audible Plus, and you're gonna earn $5 for each sign up for the free trial, which is a really good offer because when people sign up for the free trial, they're also gonna get a free audiobook. So this is an example of a win-win where you're earning passive income, but your audience is actually getting something of value. So bounties are a really great way to earn extra income from your Amazon affiliate links. Lastly, I want to give a pro and con of both the Amazon Influencer Program and the Amazon Associates Program. And the biggest difference is that with the Amazon Associates Program, when people click your links, they get a cookie that's dropped in their browser for 24 hours, meaning that any product that they buy within 24 hours after clicking that link, you're gonna earn a commission for, whether or not they bought the actual product you recommended or not, because there's a cookie in their browser. Now, the Amazon Influencer Program does not have that feature. People can click your store link, but it's not gonna deposit a cookie into the browser. And so I will say that is a bit of a downside for the Influencer Program and a plus for the Associates Program. But a huge pro of the Amazon Influencers is that you get your own storefront. You can customize it however you want, and you can include as many products as you desire. I think of it almost as a link tree, where you're only spreading one affiliate link, but you're actually giving people the option to check out multiple different products that you recommend. Overall, affiliate marketing with Amazon is really powerful, and it's a great passive income stream. So I would highly recommend signing up for both Amazon Influencer and Amazon Associates. And if you're a beginner with affiliate marketing, then Amazon Associates is the way to go. It's the best place to start. There you go, another stream of passive income. I'll call that lifestyle design. So with that said, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to decimate that like button, decimate that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram so you can keep up with me almost every day. All right, this is probably good. This is probably good.